Hi everybody, this is Kelvin from South Asia, and today we're gonna unbox the Zenfone, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. Let's just get into it. Okay, first off, there's this, is where the silicone cover is, and it says We Photo, probably promoting their camera a little bit. And just for your information, it has a 12 plus 5 megapixel rear camera and a 13 megapixel front camera, I believe. So we'll get into how great the camera actually is for the full review, but yeah, let's just move on. So this is the phone itself. Yeah, let's just turn it on. Let's leave it turning on, and let's just move on to what else is in the box. Okay, nothing much, just basically chargers. Yeah, let's just get this away. Okay, turning it on. There we go. So this is the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2, and just right off the bat, it has a pretty clean design. I'm assuming this is a aluminum material. Well, as you can see already, a lot of fingerprints right off the bat. But yeah, it has a Corning Gorilla Glass 6, which is not something you see often in mid-range phones, so it's great that they were able to put it in. It's operating off a Snapdragon 660, and that's probably Qualcomm's best mid-range processor right now. That's what a lot of smartphones are going for right now, and yeah, it's for a good reason. It can go up to 6 gigs of RAM, I believe, and pairing that with a Snapdragon 660, you'll be well off for your any multitasking or browsing, whatever or whatnot. And it also has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and that is huge, by the way. I'm pretty sure with the Snapdragon 660, it can go up to 2 days. And when was the last time you could run your phone for like 2 days? Okay, so that's all for today for the unboxing of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. So stay tuned to stuff for the full review. This is Kelvin. I'll see you next time.